What's up guys, it's winter out here in Toronto and I still got my summer tires on. However, I did manage to buy some winter tires, but they look like crap, so I'm gonna teach you how you can restore them and make them look like this. What you're gonna need are some common household tools and your favorite rust-proofing paints. First thing you wanna do, spray down some soap and water. Next, take a microfiber cloth, basically removing whatever dirt is already accumulated. What you wanna do is get a drill that has a soft metal brush. All we're gonna do is look for rust spots and just grind it out. You're gonna need two hands for this because, as you can see, your drill starts flying all over the place. What you'll notice after sanding the surface is a lot more debris. You can easily get rid of this by spraying some soap and water, taking your cloth, and wiping it down one more time. What you want to do next is take 320 and 600 grit sandpaper and sand down the entire surface area of the rim. After sanding, wet down the surface one last time, and dry away. The final prep step is isopropyl alcohol. You're going to rub the surface of the area that you want to paint, and that's it. Now we're going to set up our papers for overspray. What you want to do is just take some cards like this, and just put it around the outer edge of the rims. And this is how it's going to look like. Now we can start painting. Don't forget to put a piece of tape for your air pump. I always swear by Tremclad. The first coat's going to be super light. Let's go. Perfect. We'll come to this after 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so this is going to be the second coat. And that is looking beautiful. And that's it. We are done. Now what you're going to do is carefully remove all the little papers around here. After your second and final coat, remove the tape and put a cover on your rims. Don't forget to restore the back of the rim as well. So here's a great example of what happens when you don't sand down all the rust. As you can see, there's a ton of imperfections available here. We're gonna let that dry for 24 hours. Next, what you wanna do is take an impact driver and remove 4 bolts in a star pattern. Once you do that, raise up the car, take off the 5th bolt, and then remove your wheel. Look how much thinner my winter tires are compared to the front of the summer tire. Check out the difference for my rear tires, 215, 275. Over here we use something thin to pry out our hub-centric ring. After that we mount our wheel and spin it freely and make sure it's not rubbing onto anything. Next you want to hand thread your lug nuts in a star pattern to avoid cross-threading. And then use an impact driver lightly to finish the job. Check one last time for wheel fitment. If all is clear, go ahead and safely lower your car. Use a torque wrench to tighten this down to 75 foot-pounds of torque. Since I didn't use a clear coat, what I'm going to do is apply a protective layer of wax on the rims. I'm going to let that flash for about 10 minutes, then after that, I'm just going to wipe it off, and we're done with the wax. There you go, protected for the winter, and that's looking so much better. Thanks for watching my video guys, drive safe this winter.